Looking for a hassle-free way to tackle your outdoor cleaning? Electric power washers like this one offer unbeatable convenience compared to gas-powered models. These are lightweight yet powerful. It delivers an impressive 2.8 gallons per minute of water, making quick work of any cleaning task. With 4 versatile nozzles included, you can easily switch between different surfaces, from patios to vehicles to concrete slab. It's super portable too. It has a 20-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord, so you can reach every corner of your yard without hassle. Easy to use, efficient, and ready for any job, this electric power washer is a complete game changer. You've got to try it out, and I'm sure you will not regret it.
We got the, looks like the big power cord here. Little spray bottle nozzle. That's the pressurized hose. There's the gun, wand. And the attachments, your 3 different pressures. Red is going to be your strongest to your yellow weakest. The unit itself, it's comparable to the other electric ones I've seen. Very compact. This is your pressurized hose here. On, off, pretty easy looks. All right, let's get these pieces put together. So this is a handle. That's good. Are for the wand and the attachments. So I gotta go there. This goes here. This goes here. And then your power cord would hang on the back. And this is your water source. So your hose in, pressure out, on, off, very simple.